Welcome back to the gaming family. Today's topic is all about how you can fix this write error on Steam. Let's start by opening Steam. Click on Steam in the top left. Go to Settings and then Downloads and clear your download cache by clicking Clear Download Cache and confirming. Restart Steam and check if the issue persists. Right-click on the Steam desktop icon. Go to Properties and click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Apply and restart Steam. If the issue continues, search for Windows Defender. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Hit Change Settings. Next, make sure Steam Allowed Apps and Features is in Private and Public. Click OK, and that's basically it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.